It's going to be a total of about 5 hours 45.
I don't know whether or not to stop and sit for 2 minutes or just to roll down.